guys, this is Evie and welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll be showing you how I did these cotton candy nails with bling using Polygel. So for this look, I'm using the Gelish Polygel in Cover Pink and Natural Clear, and also the Slip Solution. And I'll be forming these nails using these pink extra long nail forms. I get these from Amazon. I will leave a link down below. But I'm just going to apply these to all of my nails. So once all of the nail forms are applied, I'm just going to go in with the Gelish pH Bond. And this is a nail prep. It is also a nail dehydrator. Next, I'm going in with the Harmony Pro Bond, which is the acid-free primer. So now I'm taking the Cover Pink and I'm just going to squeeze some out and place it on the towel that I'm working on here. And taking the spatula, I'm just going to just put a dollop on my nail. I'm using the gel brush and I'm going to create my nail bed area and also the smile line. And I really love how easy this polygel is to work with. I can really get the cuticle nice and flush and you don't have to worry about this drying out or anything like that. So you have all the time in the world to, guide this into the perfect shape. So once I have the perfect shape, I'm just going to go ahead and cure this in my LED lamp for 60 seconds. And I'm just going to repeat the same thing for all of the nails. I still haven't gotten it down about how much polygel to actually, put on the nail. So some of the time I had to add a little bit extra. So yeah, I'm still figuring that out. But still, I just love the ease of the polygel. I'm able to create that perfect nail bed area, the perfect flush cuticles, and I just love working with this. In my last video, I know a lot of people were saying how pricey the Gelish was, and I totally understand that. But I'm the type of person that, I'm tired of dealing with the knockoffs and just trying stuff and wasting money. So that is why I went ahead and, bought this Gelish. And honestly, it's really not that pricey when you think about it. If you're going for like, a pro level type thing, then, it's right on par with the price of some of the acrylics like, Tammy Taylor Young nails. They're all around this price range. So it wasn't that big of a sticker shock to me, but I know everyone's different. I'm certainly not going to be ordering a bunch of polygel from AliExpress and trying this and that. I really like how this works and I like the quality, so this is what I use. Alright, so after curing, this is how my nail beds look, and I'm just going to go ahead and file around the smile line to get that extra crisp. Now I'm taking the natural clear polygel and I'm just going to squeeze a good amount of this out. And it's pretty thick, so I do have to give the bottle a good squeeze. So once I got the clear out, I'm taking this Nails Urban Graffiti gel polish, and this is called Poppin' Candy. And I'm just going to take a little bit of this gel polish, mix it with the polygel to create a nice, pink cotton candy shade. After doing the nails, I definitely could have added a little more color, but it's okay. So now I'm just taking some of that mixture and I'm going to use that to form the tip of the nail. Once I like the shape of that, I just went ahead and cured that in my LED lamp for 60 seconds. So I took this blue gel polish and I repeated the same thing I did with the other gel polish and created this blue tinted poly gel. So for the ring finger, I'm just gonna do some marbling, or try to. And I just picked up the pink and the blue and I'm just going to, try to marble this the best that I can, kind of patting it and working it into place. And I didn't quite add enough, so I did end up adding more of the pink polygel. And I just repeated the same thing for the middle fingernail. And as you can see with the index fingernail, I applied too much polygel, so you can just take your spatula tool and just cut off what you don't need and take it off. Alright, so after doing my final cure, this is how my nails look. And now it is time for my shaping and filing. And I did majority of the filing with the hand file, and then I finished up with my e-file around the cuticle area. So this is what the nails look like after they are filed, shaped, and buffed. And now I'm going in with a combination of the Poochie Snails Bling Gel and the Poochie Snails Super Shine Gel Top Coat. And as you guys know, I like this combination for applying my crystals and bling and all of that good stuff. The bling gel is discontinued, and I know a lot of people have been asking me, you know, what is comparable and all of that. I personally haven't tried anything else, so I cannot say. This bling gel that I have is like almost full, so I'm not gonna buy anything else until this is empty. But I do hear that there are good alternatives out there, you know, so just do your research and try out what you feel like will work for you. So I'm just going to apply some Swarovskis. I have blue, pink, and clear, and then I'm applying iridescent crystals, the small and the mediums. And I'm also applying this iridescent heart. The iridescent heart and crystals are available on my website. I will leave a link down below. Once I have the placement of the crystals the way that I like, I went ahead and cured that in my LED lamp. And now I'm just applying the top coat to the rest of the nails. And before I cure, I'm just going to apply some small iridescent crystals around the cuticle area of my ring fingernail. So this is what the nails look like after curing, and I'm just going to apply some cuticle oil. And this is the finished look. This was my first design with some design aspect with the polygel, and I'm really happy about how this came out. This was really fun to do, and I cannot wait to try this technique with different colors, and I'm just going to be having so much fun with polygel. So I hope you guys enjoyed this nail tutorial. Head over to longhairprettynails.com and check out the shop. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share, and I will talk to you in my next one.